Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little 50 facts about me and get to know me. I love watching these kind of things and I thought as this is my brand new channel, I thought what a better way than just to get to know a bit more about me. So here we go, hope you like it. So first up, my name is Nicole Emma Blanchard Rabo. I was born on 6th of September 1992, and which makes me 26 years old, and I am a Virgo. My hair colour is naturally brown, like a light brown. My eye colour is light blue. I'm quite tall, I think I'm 5'8". I'm always like the tallest out of my friends. I am from South Wales, in a little town near Cardiff, and I lived there all my life, and then when I was about 19 I moved to Mid Wales with my mum in a tiny little rural area, like farming village, and then we moved from there to Chester, me and my boyfriend, now husband, and we've been living in Chester now for 4 years, and now we're about to make another big move down to the Cotswolds. What am I? I'm very chilled out. I'm very mellow. Very chilled out, organised and impulsive. Yeah, impulsive, definitely. We are currently renting and we're not allowed pets at the moment, but we did buy a hamster. So we've got a tiny little dwarf hamster and she's called Harrico Bean. I have 6 tattoos and I have my ears pierced, and when I was 17, I got my lip pierced. I haven't anymore. No, I am an only child. I am a vegetarian. I am married. I got married in June last year, 2018, to my husband. My husband is French, he's called Matthew, and he is from Paris, and he's been living in the UK for 8 years now. We got married in Edinburgh. We tried to elope, but it didn't happen. And we just ended up getting married there with everyone with us. We have a little boy. He was born 3rd of January 2019, so he is currently just over 3 months old. I would love to have around 4. As I mentioned before, I'm an only child, so I'd like quite a few. I can't do a lot of things, but I can't drive. I love sloths. Yeah, I love sloths. They're just so cute. One day I would really like to live abroad. That's kind of always been a goal of mine, and I think in a few years I'd like to raise our kids in France, in the countryside. I think that's a nice idea. I speak fluent English, that's my first language and my only language. I'm from South Wales, so I know the very basics of Welsh, like counting and some food and things like that. But I know more French, so I can have like a little conversation, I think, in French, and I know like animals, food, colours, objects around the house, emotions, things like that, so I'm getting there with French. I need to before my husband and child start ganging up on me. We will be raising our little boy Didier as bilingual. I'm so excited, I can't wait. I am a nursery teacher. I work in a lovely nursery in the countryside. It's very big and it's on a farm, and yeah, we do forest school and things like that, and I absolutely love it. I loved art, history, French and English. Amsterdam, it's so pretty. It's got such a bad rep, but it's so lovely. I love it there. My favourite holiday was probably Portugal with my husband 2-3 years ago. We always do city breaks, and it's whenever we go on holiday together, it's one of those ones where we do so much, cram so much in that we don't tend to relax. So one year we just booked to go to Portugal and we did nothing but lie on a beach, and it was amazing. I would love to visit Scandinavia. I've got a thing for like Finland, Norway and Sweden. I'd love to visit those someday, and also like Copenhagen, like Denmark, and I'd also love to go to Bali in New York, and to all the other little like European countries that I haven't been to yet, like Hungary, Prague. I can't wait to visit those, like an interrail kind of thing with a baby. I love travelling. I am at my happiest when I'm in an airport. If we're in an airport and my flight gets delayed, I actually am not bothered, because I just don't mind having a browse, chilling out, because I know that I'm going somewhere and I just get really excited, so I love airports. Pizza, fries, and my husband makes a cheese souffle and it is amazing. I love white wine with seafood, red wine with chocolate. I love gin as well, a lot of gin. I've always loved green because it just reminds me of like green grass and I love that. Nature. But I also love the yellow, like a mustard yellow as well, if you couldn't tell. Ooh, I love Kit Kats. They've got to be one of the best chocolate bars in the UK. But oh, I also love anything with peanut butter, so like Reese's Pieces, you know, those little cups. I love George Ezra and like Hosier. I love all kind of music really, but I really do love like little independent bands, acoustic music, and BBC Live Lounge. It's my fave. I really loved Jurassic Park when I was a kid. I genuinely thought I was going to be like Ross of Friends, but no, I think now it's got to be something like The Devil Wears Prada. I love the intro to that when they all get ready, it's my fave. And also just Meryl Streep in general. For a series, I love Harry Potter, but I also love Haruki Murakami, so there's a book called Norwegian Wood. Great book. Ooh. I didn't like maths. I don't even know why I had to think about that just then. I cannot add up. Like meat dishes, just, I don't eat meat, so the thought of eating meat, like a kebab, don't know how people do it, minging. And also sprouts, yeah, no. Biting my nails, I'm like a child. Baby brain, I didn't think this was like true. I thought this was just something that like people made up. But it is real and I've still got it after having the baby. Like my memory is shocking. When people slow walk in front of you and then they stop and bend over and you're not watching where you're going and then you end up walking into them and practically like bumming them. Cockroaches, I'm not a fan of like big beetles. And now I've got a baby, anything happening to my baby. Both together. Both. Coffee. Handbags. Text. Don't call me. Introvert. Both. Mornings. I used to be like Chandler and now I'm definitely Chandler. Like I used to hate baths and now you can't get me out of the tub. Oh, city break. Can't go wrong with a city break. You just get to see so much of a country in a way and there's always so much to do and yeah, I love a city break. So there we have it, 50 facts about me. I hope by watching this video you get to know a little bit more about me. So yes, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button. I am just starting out on YouTube and I thought this would be a good idea to like introduce myself. So thank you for watching and I hope you stay tuned.